What are the best indicator? If you say what is indicator? Indicator itself says indicating after the things have happened. So what are the best indicators? So myself Brijesh Shashikant Wagani, welcome to Power Trade. क्या इंडिकेटर हेल्प करता है ट्रेडिंग के लिए? यस, बट बिलीव इट, all indicators are mostly lagging indicators. Lagging means it happens and then the indicator shows that it is going to happen or it is happening. So after the trade has been done, means अगर 200 का रेट था कोई भी एक शेयर्स का और 205 हो चुका है, then the indicator is showing that you have to buy, then this is called as lagging indicator. So what to do? What are the best indicators? Only two things. Price action. गुजराती में एक कहावत है, भाव भगवान છે. Meaning is that price is a god. That means sometimes some people follows indicators so much that they forget the price. If they ask them then what is the price, they will tell no नहीं पता price किधर है. If you ask them what is the price of Bank Nifty right now going on, they don't know. They just follow the all indicators, moving average, Bollinger Band, RSI, many MACD are the MACD is there, stochastic RSI is there. This is all is lagging indicator. Follow the price action. What is price action? Price action shows that if some stocks comes towards the bottom, if the price is moving 300 and if it comes towards its bottom is 280, so you should know that 280 is the buyers are all sitting there and it will go from here to up, right? Some of them, sometimes it happens that someone take a trade when all moving average crosses it and then they take the trade. But to cross all the moving average to each other, price has to go higher than that moving average is going to cross each other, right? Hope you all are understanding what I am about to say. Do not follow any indicators. Follow it one or two, not more than that. Follow price action. Learn price action. What is price action? Price action says that when it comes to support, buy it. When it comes to resistance, sell it. Simple. Very simple. Just by using indicator, you will be always behind the trade. Behind the trade means after the trade has been finished, or if some certain stocks has to go up, then you will take a buy from that side and you will see you are in some certain losses. So that the retailers are always trapped because of these indicators. Not just because of the indicators, many things are there in that thing, but try to learn price action. You will be fail, but it will be a very minimum one. Okay, so whenever you will see कि किसी ने अगर एक स्टॉक बाय किया है, that time you will see that stock has already finished the rally and you will go and chase it. By the time you chase it, it will come down. What is that? This is called as lagging indicator. Your indicator is showing the things has been happened and then you enter the price. Then you enter the any certain stocks. So guys, learn price action. What is price action? I'm going to make a very new video very soon where you will learn what is price action. It is not that you will learn today itself by going through it, but you will come and overview it. What is price action, right? All the best. Thank you.